Look, our preacher said this week, bird watching, it must be like a 40s thing. Never noticed so many birds until I'm now 44. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. And, well, now I notice them. Fixing to jump up right there. It's hard for me to walk right now. I don't have a selfie stick or the gimbal. Doing the best I can with walking. They're all right there in the middle. And they're gonna jump up in a minute or fly up. Here comes a few more. They see their flock. Oh my goodness, they dive down so hard. Do you see how hard they dive down? Watch, dive. They clean up the food and then they move on. They're over there eating something, I know that much. I see them. Yeah, they're all on the line right up in here. How do I get to you? I don't know how to point to it. They're all on the line. The power line. I can't point. Right there. That was horrible. What are they eating over here? We're gonna go up the perch. Fly up in a second. Cool pattern, there they go. Move over a little. Oh. To the line they go. Look at the line filling up. Here's somebody hollering.